Meaning of hypothetically.
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 Hypothetically. Hypothetically means based on a hypothesis or assumption rather than on evidence or proven fact. It is often used to explore possibilities or outcomes that may occur under certain circumstances. When something is discussed hypothetically, it means that the speaker is not necessarily claiming that the scenario being described is true, but rather is asking what might happen if it were true. Essentially, it is a way to explore ideas without committing to them as truth. This approach can be useful in brainstorming and problem solving, allowing for creative thinking and exploration of different solutions.